Good afternoon, sir. Myself, D. Madhuravani, bearing of roll number 590. Uh, for developing a prototype, she is my team member, Padma Sri, bearing of roll number C9. Today, our prototype is about a blood bank and donor management system. Mainly in this blood bank and donor management system, as we all know, human beings cannot live without blood. And so blood plays the major roles to live an human being in this world. So the blood bank and donor management system, it is normally a web application based on the Python language and Scholar database. As we all know, this project is used to a way to spread the awareness of the blood donation. Most of the people does not know the importance of the blood donation, and some people are aware to donate the blood, and some people are aware to where and when to donate the blood, and this is the best platform to for the people who are facing that awareness. So in this, we all know a few drops of our blood can help a life to bloom. The problem statement is mainly the project. This project is mainly used to spread the awareness about blood donation. And in hospital, it needs a hospital management to blindly search for the network, and it will be a late process for this for the searching of the blood group of similar blood group and similar type, and it may be difficult to find the O positive and A positive blood group as easily by sending. If we need any type of blood, we will be send messages to phones, but it will become a late process. By this, we can be easier to search a blood group, or it will be easier to donate a blood, and it will be in this web application. It will be external feature, like it will be also displays the location where the person will stay, or the way the blood is present. And the next, main describe the proposed solution and methodology. Towards the product and process, it means blood bank and donor management system, as we have done in previously. It is a web-based application on Python language and Scholar database. The purpose of this project was to develop a blood donor management information system to assist in the management of any blood donor records. So the current system is a manual, and it is time consuming. It is also cost effective, and it returns the information is low, and average return is low and diminishing, and it involves a software management used to store the data of the donor of ba- blood groups, and also helpful for the seekers to searching the donor. Goal: the project is basically targeted at those people who would like online management software, and to provide the correct and complete ongoing information, to make good documentation, or to facilitate possible further enhancements. Mainly, the need of the system will be help in the blood bank and to manage the information corresponding to the blood groups. And we can see the system design, and there will be admin and the system. The admin will be grab the information to the system, like to manage the donor details or to manage the blood group, or it will be admin will be detail the information about the contactors, and then the contact page information. And the next it is the logical design, how to use, and the administrator and will be the database, and the visitor will be as a database, and we have to log in if the information which I have given, if it is validated, and then the database will be executed, and it will give the back response to the system. If it is success, it will be either information and it will be shown. If it is fail, it does not show any type of information. And next we have seen the data flow diagram. It is a data flow diagram where the donor management, blood group management, contact queries, and about contactors information login management, system user management. They provide the information to the blood bank and donor management, and they will give back the feedback as the report, like the what blood they are donating and which group, and the contact numbers and website pages and login details. And implementation issues. Mainly this application is implemented based on the Python language, HTML and JavaScript. And Python, as we all know, Python is used as general purpose high level programming language. It was initially designed by the Guido van Ronson in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. It was mainly developed for the emphasis on code readability. And whereas HTML can be represented in the full form as hypertext markup language. It is one of the set of markup symbols or codes inserted in a file intended to display on a World Wide Web browser page. And some elements come in this page that indicates when some displays and begins with its to hand. And this is also one of the language which we involve in this prototype to develop an application. JavaScript is a programming language commonly used in web development, and it was originally developed by Netscape. As means the syntax is more similar to C and is database and economic script. And communicating with the server, for example, JavaScript function may check a web form before it is submitted to make sure all the required fields have been filled or not. And like server-side scripting language such as PHP and ASP JavaScript code can be inserted anywhere within the HTML of a web page. JS file which may also be viewed in a browser. And this is the code to run the application. This is the code to run an application. And the third one is the uniqueness and distinctive features of the predictive process. And this project has a wide scope, and it is developed by generic software. And also the software is going to provide a huge amount of data, summary data, and the blood bank management system is also available in the market that can serve a blood bank owners to easily manage blood donor records, and also helpful for blood seekers who are searching for blood donor. And the next system overview, it is easy to use, and it will be contact us, inquiry, and manage website pages and admin dashboard, and update the contact information, and blood group registration system, and easy to use, responsive template, mobile friendly, and it provides us to an external feature like adding and deleting the donor information. And next one, uh, it is a value proposition, key benefits of by using this application. It is it provides various features like system which we can use easily, and it will be intelligent user form designs, and it is secured. Data will be in the secured form, and the data organized and cultural shortage of facts, and no decay of old records. It is not a large scale system. People who are not familiar with these computers can use this software also. And organizing and cultured storage of facts. Since it is an offline project operated from PC in which it can be installed. That's all. And the next, how the prototype will be highlight in the environmental sustainability. Blood donation have helped patients with life-threatening diseases and live longer, better quality of life. So, Flutter of a Google Development Framework, which is an open source mobile app which can be developed for both iOS and Android devices, and to make a blood bank more accessible to all mobile users. And the app can also help people in need of blood by providing details and searching from the donor. This application aims to design, develop, and implement online blood bank management systems and allow us to manage your blood donor info. Blood is then transfused to replace red blood cells that which carries oxygen in variety of situations, including necessary transfusion, blood loss due to bleeding or surgery or any medical issues. And uh, blood will be available in this application. And the scalability or the market can users in the earlier days we have to in the earlier days the O positive blood group, then we know we would send messages to phones, but it becomes a late process. By developing this application, the marketers can be used easily and it will be not be any effective for the people. And details of this prototype, the software requirements are like technology, Python language, IDE, and client-side technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and database server like SQL, operating system like Windows, Microsoft Windows, Linux. And hardware requirements are processor, RAM, and hard disk. Hard disk will be consist of 80 GB or higher than that, and RAM will be 64 MB or higher than it. Our processor should be Pentium 3 or higher. We can see the prototype images like this is the home page of our application. They can be available in the home page like home about for searching the blood or like becoming a donor like contact or admin. This is the home page and about us page, and the next about us page will be displayed like this, and this is the becoming a donor page. This is a becoming a donor page. This page consists of information like your name and what is your age, present age, and the location where you stay, and etc. The details we have to fill, and it will be searching the and the 7.4 image displays that for searching the donor page, and 7.5 image will display that contact us page, means if we want any such type of contact numbers of any searcher for any searching a blood or donating a blood, and we can make contact for this information. And admin log page will be like display like this. We have to admin in the, and it will be the admin dashboard page. Admin dashboard consists of what we have used in the previous slides or present, and it will be had blood group page and manage blood group page and add blood group donor page and it view donor list page. And the future scope in view of the technological development, this web application involves almost all the basic features of the blood blank and donor management. The future implementation will be online, help for the users, and the system gives procedural of how to bridge the gap between the recipient donor and blood banks. Mainly, what we're learning from this prototype, CF and Python language and Scala database in back to end to computerize in the process of donors management. This project covers only the basic feature required. This is the web application allows you to access the whole information about blood bank and donor management system, reliably scalable and adaptable. Who are the key facilitator and healthcare sectors? It also supports all functionalities. The main object of the project is to create electronic blood donor management information system in order to assist the management convenient and secure way using modern technology. And the reference is two scopes. And at last, the reference of this prototype is done by two scopes of Django. For 1 point level by Daniel Greenfields and ordinary Greenfield lightweight Django by Elman and Mark Lavin.